Okay, meron tanong si Percy Lapida Vlogs. Sabi niya, Fiscal AJ, pwede ba magdemanda kahit walang lawyer? Pau ang kukunin? Yung pag nagdemanda po kayo sa fiscal's office, no, especially if it is a criminal complaint, hindi po kailangan na merong lawyer kaagad, no? You can always go to the police station at doon sa police station meron tayong mga investigators doon na mag-accommodate sa ano nyo, sa reklamo nyo. Sila yung gagawa ng affidavit, tapos pag nagawa na yung affidavits, tapos nag-gather na yung evidence, then they will accompany you to the fiscal's office para ma-subscribe po yung affidavit complaint nyo together with the affidavits of your witnesses. So at that stage po, hindi po kailangan ng lawyer na mag-prepare ng mga affidavits or affidavit complaint nyo. So enough na yung investigator ng police station to accompany you to prepare the affidavits for you. And then pagdating doon sa fiscal's office, you will have to subscribe it before the prosecutor, and then yun na yung ang magsisilbi na complaint nyo against the person whom you are going to file a case against. So, to repeat, at that stage po, hindi po kailangan ng lawyer. Pwede pang walang lawyer, or pag meron kayong pera, if you have enough money, then you can, at that point in time, already hire a lawyer to prepare the affidavit complaint for you. Sabi ni Percy Lapida, yung crime dito Caloocan nangyari pero sa Pampanga ang demanda. So if it's a criminal case po, hindi po yan pwede kasi ang rule po kasi for criminal cases is territorial, no? Dapat merong territorial jurisdiction yung court na bibista ng kaso. So pag walang jurisdiction yung court, ang jurisdiction po na ibig kong sabihin is jurisdiction, the place where the crime allegedly happened. So kung saan nangyari allegedly yung crime, ang court dun sa lugar na yun ang may jurisdiction to hear and decide that criminal case. So if the crime happened in Caloocan, then it will be the MTC or RTC of Caloocan that will have jurisdiction to hear and decide the case, not the Pampanga RTC or MTC.